All right, so I just finished blazing a bit of a trail down. I took the tent down, what was left of it, of course. So now we're gonna relax a little bit. It's almost 20 degrees, and what time is it? It is 11:10 right now. So I've been up here almost 2 hours, and I did a bit of cleaning, of course, where the bear had gone through what I had here. I did have some stuff here for winter time, you know, in case somebody was up here. I had some Mountain House meals. I had some chicken noodle soup. I had some spices, some dehydrated onion spices. And of course it was all gone through and tore apart. So was everything else. But we've tidied it up now. We're gonna take some more stuff down today. We're gonna cover some stuff up here just to keep it safe and dry for next time we come up, and go from there. So, as I said, this summer we have a canoe trip coming up to Wabakimi. Originally the canoe trip was 210 kilometers, but due to shortages and not able to get on the train July 1st, we're going the 4th. But James this year picked up, because we take our camera gear and our Inreach and a few other things that require some recharging. Battery packs can be a little heavy, not that solar panels can't be, but James picked up this solar panel. And what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to do a quick time lapse on my phone to see how long it's going to take to charge a phone. What comes with it here are some carabiners to hang it. This is a waterproof zipper as well, a water resistant zipper. And of course inside of it we've got the 2 panels. Now this is 5 volts out, 1.5 amps max. And of course we can see that it is water resistant, not waterproof. It's a 10-watt panel, and of course the do not puncture, incinerate, or short circuit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my GoPro up for time lapse. I'm going to set this up in the sun over here somewhere, maybe right here. I'm going to bring one of them blocks over. We're going to set it up, and we'll see how long it takes to get my phone charged in the sun here. So I'll catch up with you guys here shortly. So one nice thing about this panel is that we could put this out on one of our barrels, on our bags, backpacks, and we could charge some of our gear while we're paddling during the day, as long as you got some decent sun. So that's one nice thing about it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a screenshot on my phone of the main screen that'll show us what my battery percentage is, as well as the time. I'm going to set the camera up on time lapse at the same time. Right now I'm at 75% on my phone, so I'm going to take a screenshot of that. And the time, and what we're going to do as well is we're going to hook this up to my phone, and I'm going to put time lapse on the GoPro. So I'm going to put a time lapse on the GoPro, and we'll see how long it takes to charge. Or, you know what, I'm just going to do a screenshot, a snapshot of it once it's up at full power. How's that sound? Alright guys, so my phone charged up to 99%. As you guys seen in the last screenshot, it is just after, what is it, 12? It's 12:30 right now. So now what I'm doing is we're checking the Inreach. So we're at 96% right now at 12:28. It says 21 minutes of charge time. We'll see what kind of time we get with this panel now and the Inreach. Hey guys, it's 12:45 and we're 2 minutes away from being 100% fully charged. And the sun's going behind the clouds. We're calling for some rain later today, so we'll have to see if we get it. But the panel topped her up, so pretty happy with that. So it should work well on our canoe trip.